On the left hand side, once again everybody say ole ho. Clear? We'll do from starting. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Everybody say woolly woolly woolly. Woolly woolly woolly. Tap tap tap. Tap tap tap. Ole ho. Ole ho. Okay, everybody, can you move one step backward? Another one step. Those are sitting in chair. Can you move along with your chair back, please? And now, those who said one, put your hands up and show number 1. Like this, number 1. Good. 2, can you show number 2? 2. Show number 2, sir. You have to show like this. 2. 3. Show number 3 like this. No need to raise your hand. You have to show your number. 3, 4. Cool. Now what you should do, just put your hands, whatever the number you have, everybody, 1 or 2, everybody put your hands up with your number, okay, without speaking anything. Team 1 will come and form a group this side. Team 2 will come that side. Team 3 will go that side. And Team 4 will come this side. Put your hands up and show the number. Put your hands up and show the number. 4, you can put your hands up and tell your number. Tell your number. 3, this side. 4. Show, put your hands up. 2, everybody show the number. 1. 1, say 1 with 1. Get back, sir, get back. And just form a group. 2, everybody look at me, tell this side. I'm in the middle, okay? Say 1. Everybody down together. Show 1. 1, 2. This is from a group, okay? And the 6th one, radium color shoelace. Exactly radium shoelace. And 7th, one group selfie near swimming pool all together. Not separate, it's a group selfie. Same items, same things. At the same time. 1. No. Everybody should get only 1. For example, yellow color socks in team 1 person. If you got, that's fine. Not each and everybody. Okay. And 8th one is yellow color nail polish bottle. And the 9th one and 10th one is not there. 9th one is not there. Only the 10th one after reaching here. Okay. Ready? Your time now. The exact time is 11:33. So you have to be here at 12:43. Only 10 minutes time you have. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and you take all the photos, pictures with your team captain. Your time starts now. Wherever you can go, the group selfie all together near swimming pool. You should not ask any props with me. If anybody have a doubt about this game, please put your hands up. I'll explain once again, or come forward here. I didn't hide anything inside of the resort. You have to collect it. You have to collect the props. You have to collect the props. The time started. Everybody, quick! You have 10 minutes. Exactly 11:44. You have to be here. Music. I request everybody should participate. You're the leader. Minus, I'll give 100 points to all the teams. Minus all the teams.
ಬೆನ್ನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಕೇಳಿದರು ಸಂಗೀತಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಬೆನ್ನೆಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಸೌಭರ್ಯ ಸಂಗೀತ
Jangal